Go, Griffin, go!
You're gonna hit the table.
Oh, good job slowing down.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Help! Here he comes. Hi, Griffin.
Can you stop to pick up the spoon?
You can get it. There you go. Good job. There you go. Uh-oh, crash coming. Oh, he slows down. Good job, Griffin. Good job. It's Griffin's 10-month birthday. He's 10 months old today. Hi, Griffin. So, no, help me.
Okay.
Here he goes. There he goes again. Oh, here he comes. Walking barefoot. Oh, almost. Good job.